What's up, everybody? Out here gonna fool with this 88 Chevrolet truck once again. See what I can figure out on the gas tank situation. The guy that owns the truck, he done changed the sending unit. Oh, and stuff out in it. As you can see here, it looks pretty rusty and rough. So I'm assuming the gas tank probably looks like that too. And if that's the case, probably just gonna have him order a new one. Just swap out the whole tank. But since he's already got this cut, got easy access here, I might pull that fuel pump out so I can look down in there and just see how bad it is. Anybody wondering how to get this fuel pump sending unit out? All you need is a 5/8 wrench for this, 3/4 to put on in, flathead, and you got this little ring here. It holds the fuel pump down in there. All you got to do really is take a screwdriver, put it right there. You might need a hammer to knock it around until it comes loose, and then it just pulls up out of there like so. Oh yeah. Yeah, she's nasty. Yep, I don't think there'll be any cleaning this rig out. So it looks like I need to order a new gas tank. Yep, I was pretty sure that was going to be the case, especially after looking at that. But I just had to check, make sure for myself. I reckon now I'll hit him up and get a gas tank on the way. And drop this one down, put a new one in it. Right up under the truck. Once you got everything undone up there at the fuel pump side, all you got under here is these two straps and them two bolts, and they're 15mm. And there she is. Pull them two bolts out, pull them straps down, and then the gas tank should fall right down. Make sure it don't fall on top of you. Alright, so we got the new gas tank here beside the old one. As you can see, it's a little bit smaller. When the guy asked me which one to order, I wasn't thinking about the truck being long bed, so I just told him it was probably a 25-gallon tank. But turns out all long wheelbases come with a 34-gallon tank. The good news is the mounting straps and everything looks to match up just the same. Only difference is the size, obviously. So I reckon we're just gonna put this 25-gallon in there, and he just won't have as much gas, but I reckon that won't be too big of a deal. If you do have a long bed and mess up and get a 25-gallon tank, it will work. Ah, you bitch. Definitely be easier for two people, by the way. She's in there. Wasn't too bad. I mean, it would be a lot harder and take a lot longer if they hadn't already had this hole cut, made easy access to all that. Still not that bad though to do one of these by yourself. Only thing left to do now is hook the fuel hose up, put the fuel pump back in, and hook all that up, and then that'll be it. Especially what I was talking about when I took this out with this clip. All you gotta do, make sure you push that down and then twist it up under here. You got these little tabs. Just take a, take a screwdriver. You need 2 hands to do it, but hit it right there with a hammer and screwdriver till it goes around and it's under them tabs. You got 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. And then your fuel pump will be secured in place. And then obviously hook up all your lines. And then that's that. Alright, and there it is. Everything's hooked up. Everything's tight. All it needs now is some gas. I gotta change the fuel filter. And then a couple little things under the hood. Adjust the timing and whatnot. And this old long bed will be ready to go. But that's gonna be the end of this one. So like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more later.